We are hearing a lot about double mutant variant found in India. Is double mutant COVID variant behind India's record surge? India's massive COVID surge puzzles scientists. So what is this double mutant? Let's talk about it in details today. Hello my dear friends, I am Poonam and you are watching Biology Explained. Now double means two and mutant means something that has mutated. So in one word, double mutant means the virus has two mutations. And what are these two mutations? They are E484Q and L452R. What does these numbers mean? Let's go in detail step by step. First, let's understand what is meant by mutation, and then we will understand what is meant by the numbers E484Q and L452R. Lastly, we will try to understand whether antibodies will work against this double mutant. If you want to skip the basics, please refer to the time strap in the description. So, what is mutation? Every living organism in Earth has their information stored in their genome. The genome is made up of DNA or RNA. In case of SARS-CoV-2 virus, the genome is made up of RNA. There are 4 letters which make up the genetic code. In case of RNA virus, they are A, U, G and C. For example, let's consider a virus with genetic code AUG, CCG, GUC, AAU. So this is the genetic makeup. Now, if change in the letters occur, then it is known as mutation. That is, now let's say it becomes AUG, CGG, CUC, AAU. So it has changed in 2 places. That is, 2 mutations has occurred. How does this change affect the virus in this example? What happens? 3 letters together code for one amino acid. For example, AUG codes for amino acid A, CCG codes for amino acid B, GUC codes for amino acid C, and AAU codes for amino acid D. These amino acids come together and form protein. So let's say amino acid A, B, C, D comes together and forms spike protein S. Now when mutation has occurred, AUG codes for A, CGG codes for E, CUC codes for G and AAU codes for D. Now there is a change in the spike protein and this makes spike protein S prime. So comparing the 2 amino acid sequence, now we can say 2 mutations have taken place and amino acid B at position 2 has changed to amino acid E. It will be written as B2E. That is, B has changed to E at position 2. And the other mutation is C3G, that is C at position 3 has changed to G. These 2 mutations result in spike protein S prime. This is the basics of how mutation occurs and this is how it is denoted with the help of amino acids. So mutation ultimately causes change in structure and function of protein. So in case of double mutant, amino acid E, which is nothing but glutamic acid at position 484 has changed to amino acid Q, that is glutamine. And similarly in the other mutation, amino acid leucine has changed to amino acid arginine at position 452. And these mutations are in the spike protein. Now that you know what is double mutant, let's understand why it is concerning everyone. The mutation E484Q is similar to mutation E484K, which was found in the Brazil variant and the South Africa variant. And the other mutation L452R was found in California variant. Now E484Q mutation makes the virus more transmissible and moreover it is speculated that this mutation might dodge the body's immune response. And the other mutation helps the virus to bind more firmly to its receptor on the human body. It also increases viral replication and it results in 20% more transmissibility. So, when these two important mutations come together, they make a new mutant variant, that is double mutant. And it is expected that the double mutant will be more transmissible and perhaps one of the reasons why we are seeing a surge in the cases in India. However, to know whether the double mutant is the main variant behind the surge, we have to sequence the virus as much as possible. INSACOG is a group of 10 national laboratories in India which are doing the SARS-CoV-2 virus genome sequencing with the latest virus samples. But basically, we need much more labs and much more sequences to be done to understand which is the dominant strain behind this surge. However, remember that because two important mutants have come together does not mean that the virus will be more deadly. And the truth is, we do not have enough data to fully assess the variants. Now comes the most important question. Will vaccine work? Vaccines are made in such a way that they evoke different kinds of antibodies in our body. So most likely it will work, but the efficacy might be lower. Having said that, very recently an article came from India which says that Covaxin was found to work against double variant. But remember, this article is not peer reviewed yet. So we have to wait for some more time before we come to final conclusion. Virus will mutate and it is a very natural process. The more it spreads, the more it will mutate. To stop the virus from mutating, we have to stop the virus spread. And this is possible only when we vaccinate people, wear masks, maintain physical distance and avoid big gathering. So please follow these norms and help everyone, including yourself, to stop the spread. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please leave me in the comment. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you soon. Thank you.